The freshwater tank is located at the back of the Revel. There are two options to fill it with water. When filling at the water center panel, attach the hose to the freshwater inlet and ensure the freshwater valve is turned to the tank fill option. You can then turn the water on and begin filling the tank. When the tank is full, you will hear water dripping out the overflow below the van. This is a clear indication the tank is full and your water source should be turned off. After filling the tank, we recommend you immediately turn the freshwater valve to the normal setting. This will give you full use of the water in the tank when the pump is on. You can now remove the hose from the freshwater inlet point. As a second fill option, we have added a gravity fill in the right front corner of the bedroom area. This option allows you to easily add or top off your freshwater tank inside the coach using any source like a water jug or a hose. The freshwater tank level can be monitored at the system's monitoring panel by selecting Tank Level.